Welcome to another quick tip with the Technologist. Today's topic, backing up your data. Maybe your desktop looks something like mine. I often use my desktop to save images or documents that I'm going to put somewhere else, that I'm going to upload to Google Drive, for example. And every once in a while, I need to go through and delete the things that I don't need and back up the things that maybe I haven't gotten onto my Google Drive just yet. Another place we save documents, images, and other files is our Z Drive. Although there is limited space on the Z Drive for storage, while our Google Drive is unlimited. Just a reminder that your Google Drive can hold all kinds of files, not just documents and presentations, but images, video files, even project files from programs that you use on your device. First, a little warning. By having documents, images, or other files only on your C drive, which is the physical memory on your laptop, whether you store it on the C drive under your Documents folder or on the desktop, as you see some examples here, by only saving those documents in those locations, you're basically agreeing to the idea that if your device disappears or is damaged in such a way that the C drive is unavailable, you're okay with losing all of those files. You might not actually be okay with losing all those files, but by not backing them up somewhere to Google Drive or to the Z Drive, the outcome of some sort of damage or loss would result in you losing those files forever. So how do we prevent that kind of catastrophe? Well, we're going to back up our files, and I'm going to show you a few places to look. First of all, the obvious one is our desktop. I've got some things on here that I simply don't need. These are some recording files that I don't need anymore. I can select all of those by holding down the Control key and selecting each one, and then clicking the Delete button on my keyboard. Yes, I'm sure. If I need to back up a document to Google Drive, I'll open my Google Drive, New, File Upload. This also works for folders. I'll go to my desktop, find the document I want to upload, and click Open. After a few seconds, I will find that document in my Recent menu. In order to find other files that we might have on our computer that we need to move off of physical memory into something like Google Drive or the Z Drive, click on the Start menu and select your computer. And there's a couple places here to look. Downloads is a place where when you download things off of the internet, sometimes they end up in this folder. Your document library might have some different folders in here. I have some Camtasia project things in here. If you've saved any pictures, you can look there. And then if you click on underneath the computer menu, click on your C drive, select Users, your username. Anything that you might find in the libraries is also available here. There's your downloads, there's your desktop, there's your documents. So anything that you would find in that C drive menu will be the things that you need to have backed up if you want to preserve those documents. Here I am in my Downloads folder, and there is this online mythology textbook that is in PDF format, and let's say I want to put that in my Z drive. Frankly, I don't use my Z drive anymore. I put everything in Google Drive. But if I wanted to do that, I can come over here and use the arrow to open my Z drive, then scroll down to where I probably still have a mythology folder. I do. Use that arrow, and then I don't see a folder I need to put it into. So I'm just going to grab that PDF and drag it over and drop it onto Myth. It will take a second to transfer that file. This is a rather large file, and so that's backed up. I'm going to go through this Downloads menu, back up anything that needs to be backed up that I still need, and I'm just going to delete everything else. If I wanted to back up that textbook to my Google Drive instead, again, open up Google Drive, New, File Upload. In this case, I'll go to my Downloads because that's where it was. Find it here and click Open. Once again, it'll take a few seconds to upload that file. I'll check my Recent menu, and there it is. Okay, once again, as we complete our transition to the new laptops that staff will be receiving in the winter and spring, Any files that you have saved physically to your device, to your laptop, on the C drive, on the desktop, in the download folder, those all need to be backed up either to the Z drive or to Google Drive, which I think is preferable, so that you can maintain access to those documents. Once you turn in your computer, you're telling us basically that anything that's on there you don't need anymore. There will be a process for whoops, I forgot, but we of course would prefer that you have your data backed up before you get your new device. If you have any questions regarding this data backup procedure, please let myself or Danielle Brostrom know, and we will help you out the best we can. Stay tuned to the TCAPS Loop and me, the technologist, for more tips backing up data and using the new laptops.